Let's see the first question here. The question is, an item was marked up by 40% and after that a discount of 20% is given on it. If each item costs rupees 225, then what percentage is earned by selling it? So here you are given the cost price of the article and it is given that it's marked up by 40%. So we can see markup percentage is always attached on the cost price. So from that we can find out the mark price. So here mark price will be 40% more than the cost price. So 40% more means how much? It is 140% of the cost price. So 140%, to directly calculate this 140% of 225, it is time consuming. We can convert this into corresponding percentages. So we know 20% stands for 1/5. So 40% will be 2/5. 140% will be 7/5. So this conversion, if you learn very thoroughly, problem solving becomes very easy for you. So 7/5 of 225, again you can cancel the common factor and what you get is 350. So that is the mark price of this article. So after getting mark price, already given there is a discount of 20%. Always know the discount has to be attached on the mark price of the article. So 20% deducted from the mark price, which gives you the selling price. So what is the selling price here? Selling price is given by 80% of the mark price, which is 350. How do we get this 80%? It is 20% deduction because discount has to be attached on the mark price. So 20% is deduced from the mark price, which is 315, which gives you 80% of 315, which is the selling price. So selling price you got it as, again 80% you can convert in terms of 4/5. 20% is 1/5, so 80% will be 4/5. So 4/5 of 315, which gives the value as 252. So that's all. You can find the required answer. Profit is the question. Profit means how much? Selling price minus cost price. So you have the selling price, you got it as 252 and cost price is 225. Taking the difference, we can find the answer 27. So this question is just to find out the mark price of the article. From mark price, you can find out the selling price. So it's a connected question. Selling price, mark price, you can find out both the values. And since cost price is already given in the question, you can take the difference and find out the profit, which is 27. Hope it is clear. Now see the second question. A village has 10,000 people, 68% are male and the total illiterate population of the village is 6,000. There are 1,200 more male illiterates than female illiterates. What percentage of female population are illiterates? So to solve this, first it's already given 68% are male. So 68% of 10,000 means 6,800 male population. Then from that we can immediately find out the female population, which is 3,200. So first find male population, female population, and also given in the question total literate population is 6,000. So total literate is 6,000 and from that we find out total illiterate population will be remaining 4,000. Now see the question. You are supposed to find out from the female population. We know total female population is 3,200. From that, how many illiterate females are there? That is to be found out. And then we have to go with the percentage. So, in the question, it is already given that 1,200 more female illiterates than more male illiterates than female illiterates. That means difference between male and female illiterates already given. That is male illiterate and female illiterates difference is 1,200. And we have already found out the total illiterate population is 4,000. So from that we can arrive at two equations like this. And taking the difference, because we don't want male category of illiterates, we are concentrating on the female. So just take the difference of these two expressions. Difference is 1,200, sum is 4,000. So taking the difference, you can find out female illiterate population, which is 1,400. So once you get female illiterate, we know the total female 3,200. Take the ratio, you are supposed to find the percentage. Okay, percentage of female population, illiterate population with respect to the total female population. So total illiterate females are 1,400, total females are 3,200. Take the ratio. Again, after getting till up to this, so the calculation part we can avoid here again. 14 by 32, which is 7 by 16, and 7 by 16 from the conversion table you should know that it is 43.75%. So conversion tables are very important in problem solving, especially all questions under percentages profit loss based. So learn the conversions properly. So that's for the second question. Now let's see the remaining questions. Question number 3. If after giving a discount of 12%, a profit of 10% was made on an article, then by what percentage was the price marked up? So you have to find out the markup percentage. So already given discount 12%, profit is 10%. So you can start with the cost price. Always start with the cost price. So here we can take cost price is 100, or you can take 100x also. That gives you the answer more faster instead of taking x. If you take x, there will be a lot of decimals involved in the problem. If you take 100, there won't be any decimals in the calculation. So cost price is 100, profit is given 10%. So immediately you can find the selling price, which is 110. And also given the discount percent, which is 12%, which has to be attached on what? Mark price. So 12% is deducted from the mark price, which gives you the selling price. So 12% deduction means how much? From 100 you have to deduct. So 88% of the mark price, which gives you the selling price, which is already known to us, which is 110. So what you get is mark price. What is mark price? Which is 110 by 88 into 100, which gives you 125. So that's all for this question. We got 125 as the mark price. You have the cost price is 100. So markup percentage is the question. So 100 is the cost price and 125 is the mark price. So markup percentage is 25%. So this is very simple, very direct question. Just to find out the mark price on this. So know the relation. How do we connect MP, CP, SP? That basic relation should be very much known to you. Then such questions becomes very simple. Next question is question number 4. If 25 articles are purchased for rupees 20 and 20 articles are sold for rupees 25, then what is the profit or loss percentage? So in all such questions, number of articles purchased must be same as the number of articles sold. So if it is different, first of all you have to make it into the same numbers. So that you can do by taking LCM. So 25 and 20, you first find the LCM, you know it is 100. So we consider this problem in terms of sale and purchase of 100 articles. So 25 articles are purchased, you make it into 100, you multiply with 4. Immediately you have to multiply the price also with 4. So you get cost price is 80 rupees. And for selling, 20 articles are sold. So multiply with 5, you get 100 articles sold. So multiply SP also with 5, you get 125. So that's for this question. What you get is SP you have 80 and SP you have 125 and CP you have 80. 80 is the cost price and the selling price is 125. So once you get the SPCP, you can decide is it a profit or a loss. So obviously there is a profit here. Why? Because SP is larger than CP. Then find the profit percent. Take the difference, you get the profit. 125 minus 80, you get 45. Divided by 80 into 100%. So again 45 and 80 you can cancel, common factor, you get 9 by 16. Again conversion table, 9 by 16 is nothing but 56.25%. So learn the conversion table. Every question you can see how much important the conversion tables are as far as the final answers are concerned. After doing the fractional value, you don't have to spend a single second to go for the answer if you know the conversion table. Otherwise, you need to spend a lot of time in further calculation so as to get the final answer. So know the importance of final value in terms of conversion table. Now see the next question. Question number 5. The cost of 6 oranges is equal to the selling price of 8 oranges. Find the profit or loss percent. So in this question also we have to first of all find out is it a profit or a loss. So cost of 6 oranges means 6 CP. Cost price of 6 oranges is equal to selling price of 8 oranges. So always remember you have to find out whether there is a profit or a loss in a transaction based on the selling price. Okay, so selling price you first find. Here, what is the selling price? Selling price will be 3/4 of CP. And 3/4 of CP, 3/4 is always less than 1, isn't it? So SP is less than CP. That is what we are getting here. So if SP less than CP, definitely we can see there is a loss in this transaction. So you know the loss formula. What is the meaning of loss? SP is smaller. So we get loss equation will be CP minus SP. Now we have SP here, CP here, replace. CP minus SP is how much? 3/4 of CP. So 1 minus 3/4, you get 1/4. So from that itself, from the expression 3/4 itself, you can arrive at the answer. SP is 3/4 means what is actually happening is the difference that you get is 1/4, and 1/4 is nothing but how much? 25%. So very direct answer comes for this question. Hope it's clear. Now question number 6. Two items were sold at rupees 9,000 each. The first was sold at 50% loss and second was sold at 40% loss. Find the cost price of first and the second item. So first part of the question is again very logically we can do this. Selling price is 9,000, loss is 50%. So if you are losing 50%, what should be the cost price? It should be the double of the selling price. That's a simple logic behind this question. That means 9,000's double is 18,000. So 18,000 rupee, if the cost price is there, it's 50% is lost, means its half price is lost. That means 9,000 is lost from 18,000, which will make the selling price is 9,000. If not, by using the formula also you can do this. 50% is lost means remaining 50% has to be attached on the cost price. So 50 CP gives you 9,000. So from that we can find CP, which is 9,000 by 50 into 100, which gives you 18,000. Same way the second part of the question, SP is given 9,000. Loss is how much? 40% is lost. So 40% loss means what should be the CP-SP relation? Remaining. That means 60% of the CP should be the selling price, which is 9,000. So from that CP we can find 9,000 by 60 into 100, which gives you 15,000. So in this first part is very direct. Second part also we can just get by using the formula in terms of SPCP. So that's for question number 6. Now see the remaining set of questions. See question number 7. Question number 7 is Ravi sells a chair at 15% loss. Had he sold it for rupees 70 more, he would have made a profit of 5%. What is the cost of the chair? So cost price is, let's take it as 100x. Since the cost price is to be found out, take along with 100 a variable also. So CP is equal to 100x. Selling price in the first case, there is a loss of 15%. So obviously the selling price should be 15% deducted from 100, that is 85x. So this is cost price, this is selling price. Now see the second statement, had he sold it for rupees 70 more. So what is the new selling price? Initial selling price plus 70 more rupees. So this is the new selling price. Then he would have made a profit of 5%. Always know the profit has to be attached on what? Cost price of the article. So profit is 5% on CP. CP is 100x. Its 5% means 5x. So 5x is the profit, and you know profit means what? SP minus CP. When you take this SP, you have to take the new SP value, that is 85x plus 70. This is the selling price, and cost price is always the same in all questions. Cost price we cannot change, only selling price differs based on the conditions. So cost price 100x, take the difference. What you get is the x value, which is 3.5. So CP is the question, which is 100x, not x, 100x. So we get 350. This is again very directly asked questions in many of the tests. See the question number 8. A sells 2 radios. A sells 2 radios at the same price. One at a loss of 12%, second at a loss of 12%. First is at a loss of 12%, second one at a profit of 12%. So in this question, you are given SP same. So always know this is a standard formula. When the selling price is same, in any set of transactions, if you are conducting 2 transactions in which the selling price is the same, in one transaction you are getting say X% of profit, and in the second transaction you are getting X% of loss. So this is profit and this is loss. It can be in the reverse order also. Here order is not important. One case you should get a profit, in the other case you should get a loss. So in such a case, any transaction is being conducted in which SP is same, the net result of any such transaction is always a loss. It is a standard derived formula, and it's given by loss percentage is equal to x square by 100%. So very direct substitution, 12 square by 100%, which is 144 by 100, which gives you 1.44. So remember this formula, x square by 100%, and this is applicable only in the case of SP being same. Whenever 2 transactions being done, in both the cases selling price must be the same. Then definitely this formula we can attach and find out the answer. So that is question number 8. Now see the last set of 2 questions. See question number 9. A merchant gains 20% by selling a book for ₹12. Find the profit or loss percentage if he has sold the book at 18 rupees. So here selling price is given 12, profit percentage is given 20. So first we have to find out the cost price. So 120 percentage of CP gives you 12. So from that how much is CP? CP will be, you can find it at 12 by 120 into 100. So that gives you the cost price of the book, which is 10 rupees. So once you get the cost price of the book, second case he is selling it at 18 rupees. So definitely there is a profit here, 8 rupees profit. Profit percentage is a question, not the profit, profit percentage. So 8 by cost price is 10 into 100%. So this is again a very direct question. So 80% is the profit that he is getting. Now see the last question. The price of sugar becomes 7.25 per kg after an increase of 45%. Find the original price of the sugar. So after increasing by 45%, it is becoming 7.25. So increase of 45% means what? 145% of the initial value gives you 7.25. And you know there is a relation here, 145 and 725. What's the relation? It's 5 times. So if you know that it is exactly 5 times, without going for any steps, you can answer the question because options are revealing your answer very much here. So X value will be 7.25 by 145 into 100. So what you get is the original price is 5. Okay. So this is the last question. So in the test I have given the questions by shuffling. So sometimes the order may not be the same in your question that I gave you as a test. So these are the methods of solving all these questions. So all the methods or all the questions which I have given you, the methods that I have shown you will be taking, most of the questions will be taking less than 2 minutes, and some questions doesn't even take hardly 1 minute for solving. So please practice on similar set of questions more or less by taking the similar time limit, so that at the time of requirement you can do all the problems within the time bound requirements. So keep practicing. So that's all for today's discussion. Okay then, thank you all.